Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Another Love on Melodica using an easy method. First, hold your melodica comfortably, ensuring your left hand supports it while your right hand is free to play. Attach the short mouthpiece for direct playing. Find middle C, which is crucial for orienting yourself on the keyboard. It's typically the white key just before the set of two black keys. This will be your starting point for the melody. Let's dive into the main melody. The iconic opening phrase begins on the note G. From G, you'll move down to F, then E, and finally D. For timing, play the initial G for 2 full counts, followed by F, E, and D each for 1 count. Focus on a smooth, connected sound as you transition between these 4 notes. Repetition at a slow tempo will build muscle memory. Continuing with the main melody, the next part picks up from where we left off. You'll play C for 2 counts, then ascend through D, E, and F, each held for 1 count. This sequence complements the first part beautifully. Once you're comfortable with both sections individually, try linking them together. This creates the complete, recognizable verse melody of Another Love on your melodica. To make your performance more expressive, experiment with dynamics. Gently blow for softer notes and use more breath for louder, more impactful sounds. A metronome is your best friend for developing consistent rhythm. Begin at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, focusing on accuracy and a clear, resonant tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.